Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss OAS, that is Office Automation System. Office Automation System. See, and OAS is a computer based information system that collects, processes, stores and transmits electronic messages, documents and other forms of communication among individual work groups and organizations. See, an OAS is a computer-based information system that collects, processes, stores and transmits electronic messages, documents and other forms of communication among individual work groups and organizations. Basically, OAS are a combination of different types of technology such as word processors, spreadsheets, electronic mail, and so on. The aim of OAS is to help employees who need to process information efficiently improve productivity. See, the main aim of OAS is to help employees who need to process information efficiently improve productivity. See, the types of OAS. Types of OAS. First, document management system. Second, message handling. Third, teleconferencing system. See, first one is a document management system. A DMS replaces or is used in addition to a paper filling system. A DMS replaces or is used in addition to a paper filling system. An electronic system makes filling data far more efficient and easier to manage, not to mention its cost effectiveness. Furthermore, for companies with offices in different location, a paper filling system is imperatively. See, the second one is a message handling system. Message handling system. AMHS is a system that delivers mail electronically. It is made up of four functional components. See, first one is mail user agent. Then second one is message transfer agent. Then message store. Then next the internet SMTP, that is the simple mail transfer protocol. Then next teleconferencing system. Teleconferencing can be described Teleconferencing can be described as electronic communication by two or more persons or groups that are in separate office or geographical location. The system operates through phone line or satellites. Say, teleconferencing can be very beneficial for companies as it saves time and money, as employees don't have to travel long distance to attend a meeting. See, teleconferencing system. Then next, need of OS. It is used for electronic publishing. It is used of electronic publishing. Then next, it is used for electronic communication. Then next, it is used for voicemail. Then next, it is used for office management system. Office management system. See, application application of OAS, that is storage of information. Then next, data exchange and data management. See, data exchange and data management. Generally, there are three basic activities of an office automation system. See, storage information, then data exchange and data management. Within each broad application area, hardware and software combine to fulfill function. Basic function. See, storage information. The first area within office automation is information storage, which is usually considered to include office records and other primary office forms and documents. The first area within office automation is information storage, which is usually considered to include office records and other primary office forms and documents. The next, data applications involve the capture and editing of files, images, or spreadsheet. Then next, word processing and desktop presentation packages accommodate raw textile and graphical data, while spreadsheet application provide user with the capacity of engage in easy manipulation and output of numbers. Then next, data exchange. While data storage and manipulation is one component of an office automation system, the exchange of that information is another equal important component. See, electronic transfer is a general application area that highlights the exchange of exchange of information among multiple uses. Electronic mail, voicemail, and face mail are example of electronic transfer application. See, the next is a data management. Data management. Office automation system are also often used to track both short-term and long-term data in the realm of financial plans, workforce allocations, plans, marketing expenditure, inventory purchase, and other aspects of business task management. Org schedule system monitor and control various projects and activities within the office. See, office automation system are also often used to track both short-term and long-term data in the realms of financial plans, workforce, allocation plans, marketing expenditure, inventory purchase, and other aspect of business.